In this video, I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet on PC. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on the official Sweatcoin website, which is sweatco.in. Now at the moment, Sweatcoin is only available as an app. So if you do want to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet, you're going to have to download the app and do it via the app. So you can come to this website, actually download the app from here, and it's going to take you to the links to download this either off the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Now once you've done that, what you can do is come into the Sweatcoin app. So what I'm going to do is actually switch across to my phone, and I'll show you how to do this on a mobile device. So here we are, as you can see on the Sweatcoin app. Now to go ahead and transfer this to your Sweat Wallet, you can see you've got your balance up here in the top right hand corner. So what you need to do first is go ahead and press onto your balance, which is going to take you across to a screen like this. And if you look underneath your balance, it's got like a little button here which says you are walking for crypto. If you actually press onto this button, as you can see, it's going to come up with a box like this. And what you want to do is press to open up your Sweat Wallet. So here we are, as you can see in my Sweat Wallet. Now, by default, what's going to happen is your Sweatcoin is automatically going to be transferred to your Sweat Wallet. So when you've walked so many steps, what's going to happen is it's automatically going to transfer Sweatcoin into your Sweat Wallet. So you don't actually need to do this manually, it's already done for you. But that is a quick overview on how to transfer Sweatcoin into your Sweat Wallet. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.